Okay. Hey guys, and welcome back to Ashley's Homestead Adventures. In case you hadn't figured it out yet, we are doing evening chores, and I am thankful that you guys decided to come along with me this evening. I hope that your day has been wonderful. Did you guys work today? Did you have a good day? Let me know in the comments. I worked today. That is such a blessing to have work and to be able to work, but I worked a full day at work today grooming dogs, and yeah, it was a really good day. Good dogs, good clients, can't ask for anything better. Okay, we're back in the house and I have a couple of sourdough loaves that have been on the counter proofing all day while I've been at work. And this is what they look like. And these are just original sourdough loaves. And we are going to get them shaped and put into Benetton baskets and then get them in the fridge. Okay, we have some all-purpose flour here. Fairly clean. I'm going to try a new method that I saw online. Let's see. She went like this, and then like this, and then like this. Is that right? And she closed up all the edges. And then she just picked it up and put it in. We're gonna try it. Usually I try to let these things fall out at their own pace, but tonight I'm a little bit impatient. This one I'm going to do into a bowl, so do it like I always do it. Take that with it. Leave no crumb behind. This is just creating tension on our loaf, and it's creating bubbles in the crust. It's what creates a good crumb on our sourdough. Okay, we're sealed on the bottom. That's what I'm looking for. And it's going into a round Benetton. Now we'll just cover these up and put them in the fridge. Overnight, and I'll bake them in the morning. And that is all that I have left on my chore list to do tonight, you guys. I hope that you enjoyed coming along for just a little bit of evening chores and some of the things that I needed to get done this evening before I settle down and do bookwork and be done. I hope that you guys had a great day. How are you doing with the time change? I'm struggling. I hate that it gets dark so early. Do you guys enjoy the time change, or do you hate it? I feel like you either love it or you hate it. But anyway, thanks for stopping and saying hey, and I'll catch you on the next video. Yours truly.